Hey everyone, if you've been job hunting lately and feel like everything out there either wants 5 years or experience or looks kind of sketchy, I totally get it. That's why today I'm bringing you 3 legit, high quality job opportunities that are actually worth applying to. Whether you're into software development, email marketing, or building beautiful websites, there's something here for you. All of these roles came straight from entryleveljobs.ai. It's a site built to help people just like you find real jobs in tech and marketing that don't require a ton of experience. We focus on roles that are actually accessible and not just some dream listings written for unicorn candidates. So if you're tired of endless scrolling on job boards, definitely check that out after this video. Let's dive in. First up is an opportunity with the company OnePlan. If you're someone who enjoys both the back end and the front end of software, and you love working on products that actually help businesses run better, then OnePlan might be the place for you. They're hiring a full stack developer, and the work is pretty exciting. You'd be helping to build out features for their AI-powered project management tools. They're looking for someone with around 3 to 5 years of experience, especially with C#, .NET, and ASP.NET. And if you're familiar with Azure services or Microsoft 365, that's a big plus too. This isn't a role where you're maintaining old code or fixing bugs all day. You'd be part of a team that's actively shaping the product and working with designers, project managers, and other devs to bring new features to life. You'll be expected to write clean, maintainable code and follow best practices and help test and troubleshoot as you go. If you've ever worked with agile teams, you'll fit right here. And bonus points if you explored anything in machine learning or DevOps. Those skills are always good to highlight. And what I love about this opportunity is it's not just technical. They're looking for someone with good communication skills, and you'll be collaborating often, and your voice will matter in the direction of the product. So if you're interested in this fully remote, full-time position, I would go ahead and apply. Next, we have an email marketing specialist opportunity at We Drive Automotive. This next job is perfect for someone who's more into content, design, and digital campaigns. We Drive Automotive is hiring an email marketing specialist, and if you've got experience with email marketing tools and love making sure the details are just right, this could be a great fit. In this role, you'll be sending email campaigns, reviewing content for accuracy, and making sure everything is aligned with brand standards. They use platforms like Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Campaign Monitor. And if you've ever worked in Photoshop or Dreamweaver, even better. Light HTML CSS knowledge is helpful too, but not mandatory. What really stands out here is how much they value quality control, from grammar and spelling to making sure links are correct and images display properly. So if you're detail-oriented and love when things are organized and visually polished, this is your zone. It's also a great opportunity to grow your skills. Email marketing is such a powerful tool, and once you get good at it, there are tons of ways to branch into automation, customer journeys, and digital strategy. So this isn't just a job, it's a door into a whole marketing career path. So if you're interested in this role is also full-time and remote. Apply today. Last, we have an opportunity for those people who are looking for something super flexible. Galactic Fed is hiring a web developer on an hourly as-needed basis, and it's remote as long as you can work on Eastern Time hours. They are looking for someone who's confident in using Webflow, WordPress, Unbounce, and Shopify. So if you've built websites or landing pages before, you'll feel right at home. You might be helping with performance optimization, designing pages, setting up domains, and CMS platforms, and all the things that make websites not only functional, but beautiful and effective. This is a great opportunity if you're a freelancer or just prefer having control over your schedule. You'll be working on a variety of client projects, so things stay fresh, and they're very big on self-motivation. No micromanaging, just clear expectations and a team that respects your time. They also offer training, book clubs, access to paid courses, so you can keep leveling up while you work. And if you've ever wanted to specialize in conversion rate optimization or UX UI improvements, this is a fantastic place to sharpen those skills. So if you're interested in this fully remote, super flexible web developer opportunity with Galactic Fed, I would go ahead and apply today. Now, maybe you're thinking, I love these roles, but I don't feel fully ready for them yet. That's totally okay. You can absolutely learn the skills to get jobs like these at CodingPhase.com. That's where they teach you real-world web development, email marketing, and landing page design without the fluff. Whether you want to become a full-stack dev, build Shopify stores, or just how to write clean HTML, CSS, we've got full courses and a community to support you. And it's all designed to help you get hired, not just learn theory. And of course, if you want more job leads like the ones I shared today, go visit entryleveljobs.ai, where we update the site weekly with tech and marketing roles that are actually accessible, and no fake listings, no senior level traps pretending to be entry level, just jobs you can really apply to and grow in. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more job breakdowns every week, and leave a comment if there's a specific career path or company you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Go apply, stay confident, and I'll see you on the next one.